ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯦ NCERT Class 11 Biology ꯒꯤ Unit 1 Diversity in the Living World ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ The Living World ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯀꯂꯔꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯣꯠꯁ ꯈꯔꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯁꯦ Unit 1 Diversity in the Living World. Biology is the science of life forms and living processes. Biology haibse life forms amasung life forms mayamdugi living processes singi apunba science makhal amani. The living world comprises an amazing diversity of living organisms. Different varieties of living organism mayamna punsillaga living world haibse sembaniba. Early man could easily perceive the difference between inanimate matter and living organism. Non-living amasung living organism anisigi khetnabase ngallingai gi human being singna yam laina khangdokpa ngamnammeba. Early man deified some of the inanimate matter, wind, sea, fire, etc., and some among the animals and plants. Adugumba non-living things marakta air, sea, fire, even akhanaba animals natraga plants sinse lai oina suningnarammeba. A common feature of all such forms of inanimate and animate object was the sense of awe or fear that they evoke. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯜ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ. The description of living organism including human beings began much later in human history. Living organisms ki description include human being yaraga adubu si mayamsigi maraksida human being na last oina lakpaneba. Society which indulged in anthropocentric view of biology could register limited progress in biological knowledge. Living organisms singi history human being aroibida leirakpanina biology knowledge ta human beings yam maru oina lauraga society ama oina create tawba yaiba anthropocentric haitardi in the view of human beings habane. The biggest spin-offs of such studies systematic and monumental description of life forms brought it out of necessity detailed system of identification, nomenclature, and classification. Life forms a systematic naina examine tauge hairadi masak khangdokpa life form du masak khangdokpa life form amagi maming piba amasung group wise oina classify tauba changyeba. The biggest spin-off of such studies was the recognition of the sharing of similarities among living organisms both horizontally and vertically. Adu study tauge hai taradi similarities had living organism between living organisms singi maraktigi similarities exam khangbase maru oeba adu hana khangdokpase maru oeba that all present day living organisms are related to each other and also to all organisms that ever live on this earth was a revelation which humbled man and led to cultural movement of conservation of biodiversity. How's how the hingliba living organisms singse amaga relate haidi mari laineba aduna aikhoigi akoibagi biodiversity se manghandana conserve tauge hairadi mahausagi oiba khalse kaidana thamba mathau taiba. In the following chapter of this unit, you will get a description including classification of animals and plants from a taxonomy's perspectives. In the following chapter, Huzik Lakadar chapter Singsida units Sigi chapter Singsida you will get a description could description including classification now living organisms combine classify tawni including plants and animals through a taxonomic perspective. Next, si scientist maming ne do students ayambadi si se skip tawe si se am important ne do magi ahan base born on 5 July 1904 in Kaplan, Germany. Ernst Mayr haibase mase 5 July 1904 da poeko. Aduga mase Darwin of the 20th century haraga su khangneba. Mana taurambase he also pioneered the currently accepted definition of a biological species. Biological species hajuzik lairiba biological species ki definition se hajuzik accept tauri se mana pirambaneba. Ernst Mayr, born on 5 July 1904. Year date sidi khandrasu yai ado maming se magi mana taurambaduga magi mingsiga important ne khangjanba hi si skip su to bino. Ernst Mayr, the Darwin of the 20th century haise. Duga zik chapter 1 horase siki QR code ama pi si QR code ama pi se si se scanner amana scan tauraga natrasu si like laitaba migidi si se NCERT exemplar neba si se like anauba hangaki edition de yawbane hanna yaribada de yawroi ado sigi QR code se scan tauraga NCERT exemplar tholakani NCERT chapter khudingi aduna si se am important si se pa khangdaba mayam su yarawngani si se scan tauraga si thoi habse handa khatang hapakpani ado si khangdaba yarsu mayamna pambe yade ngonda haibiroi dum link ta hapjarage description link ta Hazik chapter 1 horase the living world si first para sidik thoin important oide kaim important oibe yaude aduna second para de horase what is living living habise kainoba when we try to define living we conveniently look for that distinctive characteristic exhibited by living organism living organism haibama define tauge haitar ekhoina living organism dugi magi characteristic distinctive oibade as tongan be characteristic to yengakaniba growth reproduction ability to sense environment and mount a suitable response come to our mind immediately as unique features of living organism living organism singi unique features haitare ekhoi minds da kari han lake haitare mas growth toi mas reproduce toi adagi environment pu khangma ngame adugi matungin response pi bangame si mayam se my unique features ni na living organism amabu khanba matamda ekhoi mind da laeba one can add a few more features like metabolism, ability to self-replicate, self-organize, interact, and emergence to lease. Atopa features add tauge hairagana metabolism, ability to self-replicate. That means replicate tauba ngamba haitardi reproduce tauba ngamba haibagumbaniba. Self-organize tauba ngame aduga amaga interact tauba su ngameba. Si mayam singse atopa features ngataneba organism amagi living organism singi ko. Let us try to understand each of these. Si singse amamam to oinane understand taunaba khoi hotna seba. All living organism grow. Organism khudimak grow tawiba. Increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristic of growth. Growth ke twin characteristics laizeba. Increase in mass and increase in number si ani se growth ke twin characteristics individual ke mass so hengkatpa natraga living organism singi masing hengkatpa si ani si su growth ke twin characteristic neba. A multicellular organism grows by cell division in plants. This organism by cell division occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. Multicellular organism say cell division na grow to hanmanes. That means a living organism khuding mak unicellular organism oin horak paneba. Unicellular hai tari cell ama khatang dagi horak paneba. Ado those cells sum divide or multicellular organism or multicellular organism says amuk su cell division tauraga grow taurine. In plants, this growth by cell division occur continuously throughout their lifespan. Plants study cell division say mapunsi chupa tawiba throughout the lifespan tawiba. Animals study this growth is seen only up to a certain age. As I did akakna bacha hi khatang da how tawiba si growth se that means a cell division se. However, cell division occurs in certain tissue to replace lost cell. Adu itar su cell division se tissue amagi cell se loss oikraba adu replace tawnabane cell division se thoeba unicellular organism grow by cell division aina ngasa habite unicellular organism sinsisu cell division na grow tawhanmani aduga multicellular organism oiraktoni ko one can easily observe this in vitro culture by simply counting the number of cells under the microscope kaigumba cell division grow tawi hai tar se observe tawning tar in vitro culture lab ta ko lab ta microscope ke mateng na ne cell ama lore na microscope ta yenge dana ngasi yenga ga hayeng yengba matam da my cells count to ba matam da different oini hayeng gi duni helam ngani ba. In majority of higher animals and plants, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. In majority of higher animals and plants, amasung plants ayambane growth ka reproduction je mutually exclusive event yam tongan the event ngatane ba growth ka reproduction singse. One must remember that increase in body mass is considered as growth ko uze hai khidana growth ki twin characteristics se increase in mass ne increase in number ne ado increase in body mass is a growth ne consider tawki ko non-living organism also grow if we take increase in body mass as a criterion for growth kaigumba growth ki criterion se that means that my characteristic oine increase in body mass low tardi living organism khatang na tim non-living organism so grow tawi ba dun takpti mountain boulders and sand mounds do grow mountains boulders high rock acho banu acho bodo and sand mounds that means a desert kumba hadi langoi mapai se sin su grow tawi ba nga tani se sin non-living atne. However, these kinds of growth exhibited by non-living object is by accumulation of material on the surface. Adobo non-living organisms singda growth laisiding kaigino haiba matamda moigi surface sidane haidi material mayam accumulate tawbagine ba. In living organism, growth is from inside. Living organism dadi growth say inside tagineba manung dagineba adubu non-living organism the growth lai sikai dano haba matamda magi non-living object to gi surface tane hadi material me accumulate tawbineba. Growth therefore cannot be taken as a defining properties of living organism aduna growth say living organism ki defining property ni haiba yadeba kaigino haiba matamda non-living organism so growth taweba aduna growth se di non-living organism ki defining property characteristic ni haiba su yadeba. Condition under which can be observed in all living organism have to be explained and we understand that it is a characteristic of living system. That organism does not grow. That organism singdi grow tawdeba. Reproduction, likewise, is a characteristic of living organism. Reproduction so chapmanane living organism ki characteristic neba. In multicellular organism, reproduction refers to the production of progeny processes featuring more or less similar to those of parents. In multicellular organism the reproduction say progeny ama produce tawnabagi process makhal amaneba similar oigera parents to ga similar oigera oirora invariably and implicitly we refer to sexual reproduction adu do akoina sexual reproduction nena refer taweba. Organism reproduced by asexual means also. Organism singsina ne asexual means hadi reproduction ki two mode ani leiba. Sexual reproduction haba mane asexual reproduction haba mane organism na ne reproduce se asexual means to produce taweba. Fungi multiplied and spread easily due to the millions of asexual spores they produce. Fungi sina ne kamai multiply tawge ma se progeny kamai pathokke haba matamda magi asexual spores yaweba ko adudagi millions of asexual spores dudagi multiply taweba. In lower organisms like yeast, hydra, we observe budding. Yeast kumba, lower organism, yeast kumba, hydra kumba dadi budding observe to magi mode of reproduction se budding no oiba. This is asexual reproduction niko. Budding no budding haibadi kaino haiba matamda parent body dagi bud tholaaga adu develop bud to dagi develop tawraga offspring olakpaduneba budding haise. In planaria flatworms, we observe true regeneration, that is, a fragmented organism regenerates the lost part of its body and becomes a new organism. Planaria haidi flatworms se the true regeneration taweba. Regeneration haidi kaino haba matanda parent body dagi part ama thola ani dana adu loss oirani parent body dagi di thola krani detach tawrakrani adugi part loss oiraiba part to na new organism ama form tawraineba haidi fragmented part ko iko adudo. The fungi, the filamentous algae, the protonema of mosses all easily multiply by fragmentation. Fragmentation high diety regeneration dubunibuko atopa high tardi planaria natabada fungi su filamentous algae su protonema of mosses si mayam si su fragmentation na multiply taurineba. When it comes to unicellular organisms like bacteria, unicellular algae or amoeba, reproduction is synonymous with growth, that is increase in numbers of cells. Kaigumba reproduction unicellular organism bacteria unicellular algae natroga amoeba gumba da lakpada reproduction se growth ka synonymous or highly similar highly slightly similar or increase in number of cell machine hankal haiba. We have already defined growth as equivalent to increase in cell number. Growth ke twin characteristic ani leina increase in mass, increase in cell number. Aduga chamana na koi khang khre increase in cell number se growth ni haiba se. When hence we notice that in single cell organisms we are not very clear about the uses of these two terms, growth and reproduction. Single cell organisms sing the two terms growth ka reproduction sing se clear about the uses of these two terms growth ka reproduction since a single cell organisms se thoina sizinade. Further, there are many organisms which do not reproduce. Tau the organisms lairieba mules, sterile worker bees, infertile human couples, etc. Infertile hadi human dasu macha hadi yaubungam zadabasu lairine degi worker bees hai tar di bees to drone workers queen hain laidana worker bees sing su macha yauba yadeba madi. Hence, reproduction also cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristic of living organism. Aduna ngasai reproduction sisu living organism ki defining character ni property ni haiba yadeba. Of course, no living object is capable of reproducing or replicating by itself. Non-living objects se reproduce tauba yadeba, replicate tauba su yade. Adubu ngasai growth tadi non-living su growth tawiko sadi reproduce tawdeba aduna growth se reproduce tawba aduna ngasai defining properties of living organisms se growth su oitre reproduction su oitre. Next, another characteristic of life is metabolism. Atopa characteristic of life sina metabolism nenga sa hai ko metabolism haidi kaino habado. All living organisms are made of chemicals. Living organism khuding mai se chemicals sing asembane, but these chemicals small and big belonging to various classes, sizes, function, etc. See chemicals sing se chaw gera pick gera class ketna ba class various class sizes function am tamana deba are constantly being made and changed into some other biomolecules. Api molecules sa change ka ba. These conversions are chemical reaction or metabolic reaction. That means sangasai chemical adugi chemicals sing the biomolecules ta convert tawbagi process subuneba metabolic reaction natra chemical reaction haise. There are thousands of metabolic reactions occurring simultaneously inside all living organisms. Living organism khudingmakine inside the body dane chemical reaction myam ama amukta da thokpa leiba. Be they unicellular or multicellular. Moi say unicellular oibra multicellular oibra habane. All plants, animals, fungi and microbes exhibit metabolism. Plants khudingmak, animals su, fungi su, microbes su metabolism loin tawba ngatani ko. The sum total of all the chemical reaction occurring in our body is metabolism. Hiding any have the metabolism, hiding carino, have a matamne. Inside the body, the toy chemical reaction. I'm the sum total upon basibuneba metabolism has no non-living object exhibit metabolism. Non-living objective metabolism exhibit tawdeba. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free system. Metabolic reaction say outside the cell-free system the shoe demonstrate tawba. An isolated metabolic reaction outside the body of an organism performed in a test tube is neither living or non-living. High test tube laboratory the metabolized tobase living sunate non-living sunate. Hence, while metabolism is defining features of all living organisms without exception, aduna metabolism say living organism singi defining property ne haibase exception suklai leitena haibi haiba. Isolated metabolic reaction in vitro are not living things but surely living reaction. Isolated metabolic reaction, that means lepta isolate tauraga metabolic reaction demonstrate taurido. Adu the living reaction ne living things ne di habi adib adu living reaction hence cellular organization of the body is the defining features of life forms. Aduna cellular organization sisu life forms that means a living organism singi defining properties neba. Next para, perhaps the most obvious and technically complicated feature of all living organisms is this ability to sense their surrounding or environment and respond to these environmental stimuli, which could be physical, chemical, or biological. Living organisms singe quite complicated natraga quite laiba hai tardi surrounding singbu sen haidi sense tawba ngamba haidi khangba ngamba adugi matungina response piba ngamba biological terms tabu oigera chemical terms tabu oigera physical bu oigera ko. We sense our environment through our sense organ. Aikogi sense organ lay yaur singse living organism singi sense organ yaur singsena environment se khangba ngamineba. Plants respond to external factors like light, water, temperature, other organisms, pollutants, etc. Plants sing response p karambada p my external factors ko haidi magi di light, water, temperature atop organisms sing dasu ko amasung pollutants dasu piba. All organisms from the prokaryote to the most complex eukaryote can sense and respond to environmental cue. Organism khudingmak prokaryote tegina most complex of eukaryotes phabase. Environmental cue response piba ngameba. Photoperiod affects reproduction in seasonal breeder both plants and animals. Photoperiods ne seasonal breeders sing ne natraga plants amasung animals sing seasonal breeders sing the affect taweba reproduce over matamda. Photoperiod haidi kaino haiba matamda plants ke animal additional light exposed over the period to be photoperiod haise. All organisms handle chemical entering their bodies. Kaigumba chemical ama bodies enter tawba matam the bodies to na adum handle taweba. All organisms therefore are aware of their surrounding. Organism khudingmak surrounding say kamai tawri surrounding se kamai hingani surrounding se adapt kamai tawni have since aware or brangatineba. Human being is the only organism who is aware of himself, that is self-consciousness. Human beings in an organism singi marakta human being kataneba aware masamathante aware oiba ngamjari se haidi self-conscious lady se aduna consciousness therefore becomes the defining properties of living organism. Living organisms gi defining properties se consciousness sisuneba ngasai kai su oikre metabolism natraga cellular organization su defining features oikre ko defining property oidabado karam manu haba matang growth su oidre reproduction su oidre ko living organism gi next para when it comes to human beings it is all the more difficult to define the living state kaigumba akhoi human beings la tardi ko magi living states defined but difficult yam oiba we observe patient lying in coma in hospital virtually supported by machines which replace heart and lungs. The patient is otherwise brain dead. The patient has no self-consciousness. Are such patients who never come back to normal life, living or non-living? Kaigumba patient sama akhoi coma da leire khala magi se kalina support tawraga se virtually kain support tawraga mai heart ka lung se machine na support tawraga se coma da leibe se coma a patient ama hospital da coma da leire khala se ba se magi heart ka lungs ka se machine na support tawraga hingandori ne ba adugi patient da brain da di dead orabani ma kaim khangba ngamdrabani ba adugi patient to my self consciousness khangmangamrame self consciousness se mangabane ba adugi patient to ahing mani haidora natraga non living ni haidora sineba ma se normal life ta mohana lakpanga maroi drasineba in higher classes you will come to know that all living phenomena are due to underlying interaction higher classes to name living phenomena se magi interaction sing se khoina pa khangkani higher classes ta properties of tissues are not present in the constituent cell but arise as a result of interaction among the constituent cells. Tissues ke properties se had constituent cells that yaudeba adubu constituent cells ki interaction na tissue se oirakpaneba. Similarly, properties of cellular organelles are not present in the molecular constituent of the organelle, but arise as a result of interaction among the molecular component comprising the organelle. Aduga chap manana cellular organelle se molecular constituent da yaudeba. Adubu molecular constituent me amana punsillaga organelle di sembaneba. This interaction results in emergent properties at higher levels of organization. This phenomenon is true in the hierarchy of organization, complexity at all levels. Sigi interaction mayam in a higher level of organization than levels amamampi. Therefore, we can say that living organisms are self-replicating, evolving, self-regulating interactive system capable of responding to external stimuli. Aduna akhona kai haibi are had living organisms self-replicate tawba ngamme, reproduce tawba ngamme, evolve tawba ngamme, hadi hana lerembadur kitam tam evolve tawba ngamme, aduga amaga interaction pinaraga environmental stimuli, external stimuli response piba ngamme. Biology is the story of life on Earth. Biology has Earth's life story. Biology is the story of evolution of living organism on Earth. Earth's living organisms combine evolved biology. Adugi story biology has all living organisms present, past and futures are linked to one another by the sharing of the common genetic material but to varying degrees. Living organism khuding mak past oigera present oigera masu future oigera la ibasing sil oina mari lei nei ba my genetic common genetic material oi share to banga tane ba adubu magi level magi category dil oi khena banga tane ba. Next, diversity in the living world. If you look around you will see a large variety of living organisms, be it potted plants, insect, birds, your pet, or other animals and plants. If you look around, nangi akoibase yengba matamdane nang living organism mayam variety of living organism mayam mo observe tawniba. Plants poigera, insect poigera, birds poigera, nangi yumda loriba pets to poigera. Si mayam se nang observe tawrakaniba. There are also several organisms that you cannot see with your naked eye, but they are all around you. organism yam leyba nangna ubadi ngamdaba nangi mittuna nangi naked eye tuna ubadi ngamdaba adubu nangi akoibadi leyba. If you were to increase the area that you make observation in, the range and variety of organisms that you see increase. Nang haidi nangi akoiba sitang yengba natuna nangna yengakpase nang sum yogera nangi laikai dugi yengera nangi haidi nangi area nangi lamdu khaki pulap oini yengakera nang organism di masing hagalakaniba. Obviously, if you were to visit a dense forest, you would probably see a much greater number and kinds of living organisms in it. Kaigumba nangna dense forest sa chatlaba ko, greater number and kinds of different varieties of living organisms yaman nang thengnarakaniba. It's different kind of plant, animals, or organism that you see represents a species. Haidi different kind of plant, animal, organism nangna urising do represents a species. Species amamam ngatanib. The number of species that are known and described range between 1.7 to 1.8 million. Number of species ko akhangba se huzu se khangba phawdene species masing se 1.7 to 1.8 million found layeba. This refers to biodiversity or the number and types of organisms present on Earth. Adubu biodiversity ko biodiversity high tarti Earth se the present or organism khuding maki masing natraga magi types to adugi apunba dunyeba biodiversity haise. We should remember here that as we explore new areas and even old ones, new organisms are continuously being identified. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯟꯕ ꯃꯊꯧꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯅꯧ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯂꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤꯕ. As stated earlier, there are millions of plants and animals in the world. We know the plants and animals in our own area by their local names. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ millions of plants and animals worldꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ plants and animals ꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯃ local name ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ local name ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯌꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯅꯕꯀꯣ. This local name would vary from place to place even within a country. Local name haisidi sum khangnanabani adu local name sidi amaga place di manaroi dana within country phawu manaroi country gi local name sing amta manade dana. Probably you would recognize the confusion that would be created if we did not find ways and means to talk to each other or to refer to organism we are talking about. Sidagi problem se horeba. Aikoina atopa hadik samna harabada atopa place amaga interact tawnage madhabna tamda paw phanoge haipa matamda mogi local name duga akhoi local name se ga chana damne confusion thola aniba adugumba mayamdo kaidawrangandgi haidi confusion mayamda leitanaba way amadi thifam. Hence, there is need to standardize the naming of living organisms such that a particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. Living organism ama naming pibase standardized tawba machange kaigino habada living organism that means a particular organism se same name the all over the world da khangnanabagi damakta adugi process tubu nomenclature habaneba. Obviously, nomenclature or naming is only possible when the organism is described correctly and we know to what organism the name is attached to. This is identification. Nomenclature natraga naming se karam kanda possible oige haiba matamda organism se correctly describe to haidi correctly magi characteristics se describe to matungda aduga magi organism du da karamba maming pi ni karamba maming pi haiba se khoina khangaba matungda nomenclature is possible oiba aduki process to na identification haibaniba. In order to facilitate the study, number of scientists have established procedure to assign a scientific name to each non-organism. Scientists sing na procedure myama puthoameba haidi non-organism akhangba organism sing do each organism the scientific name pinaba procedure myama puthoameba. This is acceptable to biologists all over the world. Sisingse world gi biologists sing loin accept taweba. For plants, scientific names are based on agreed principle and criteria which are provided in International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Plants ki oinadi scientific names se ICBN na piba, Heidi International Code for Botanical Nomenclature has na piba. You may ask, how are animals named? Animal taxonomies have evolved International Code of Geological Nomenclature. Animals ki nomenclatures na kanana pi haba matamda ICD na piba, International Code of Geological Nomenclature. The scientific name ensure that each organism has only one name. Scientific names na ensure to ise kaino haba matamda organism amamam sing se each organism sing se one name katang maming am katang laigadam ni sineba. Description of any organism should enable the people in any part of the world to arrive at the same name. Any organism describe to badana troga description piba matamda people na ne same name the bigadam neba. They also ensure that such a name has not been used for any other non-organism. Atopa organism mamada hanagilariba organism since ki maming se pibiyade bahalaga. Biologists follow universally accepted principle to provide scientific names to non-organism. Biologists sing ne non-organism sing sen naming piba matamda scientific naming piba matamda universally acceptable procedure na principles se follow to. Its name has two components, the generic name and the specific epithet. This system of providing a name with two components is called binomial nomenclature. Its name, maming khuding mag two component, hadi component ani layeba. Amana generic name, haiba mane, amana specific epithet, haiba mane. Generic name, hai tari ma se karamba genus te belong tauge. Aduga specific epithet, hai sana magi particular species se karamba no sineba. This system of providing a name with two components is binomial nomenclature. Sigi two components style se sibuneba binomial nomenclature hai se. Si binomial nomenclature se Carolus Linnaeus na pirameba. Aduga scientist kuding magna natraga biologist kuding magna accept or meba binomial nomenclature se hai di convenient yam oeba. This naming system using a two-word format was convenient. Let us take the example of mango to understand the way of providing the scientific names better. Heidi, scientific names se kamaina p hai se hand understand tau naba example mango ge example malo seba. The scientific name of mango is written as Mangifera indica. Scientific name of mango se Mangifera indica habaneba. Let us see how it is a binomial name. Kamaina hadi yenga sa kamaina mas binomial name ori no sineba. In this name, Mangifera represents the genus, while indica it is a particular species or a specific epithet. See, Mangifera indica sidane. Mangifera sina represent ise genus puneba. Nat aduga indica sina represent orisina specific epithet na traga magi particular species tuneba. Mana belong to bodo. Other universal rules of nomenclature are as follow. Atopa universal hadi nomenclature piba matamda atopa rules hasina binomial nomenclatures na rules ama oire aduga atopa rules tuna makhada lai sing sineba si se important yam oi aina tongana underline green color na underline tawrise important yam oi scientific name ibada rules myam changneba ko adu hujik harani. Biological names are generally in Latin and written in italics. They are Latinized or derived from Latin, irrespective of their origin. Biological names generally kaina igihaba matamda Latinized or natraga italics form the iba mase Latin degi derived torokpaniba. The first word in a biological name represents the genus, while the second component denotes the specific epithet. Hiding aside two components ani like hidana han bagiduna genus neba. Generic name hai ko genus natraga anishu bagiduna anishuba component duna specific epithet natraga species hai ko. Both words in a biological name when handwritten are separately underlined or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin. Word animak ne biological word animak haidi scientific name se word animak component animak khoina kaigumba khunna I tardi separately underline taweba. Haidi handwritten oi tardi separately underline taweba. Aina sida underline tawri se tongan Mangifera ga indica ga tongan tawise. Aduga print tawbo oi tardi haidi lyric kumba da print tawbo oi tardi italics form the ibis so italics form the e ko pai khara pairamna. The first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letter, while the specific epithet starts with a small letter. It can be illustrated with the example of Mangifera indica. Ngasagi genus ki generic name ki first word se ahoba first word se capital letter na honi ba do specific epithet na traga species ki dudi small letter no oini ba ko they are example oina Mangifera indica haina. Name of the author appears after the specific epithet, that is at the end of the biological name, and is written in a abbreviated form. Example Mangifera indica Lin. Apiba haide samna harabada scientific name ama piramba author se biologist sing se magi maming se last scientific name to gi last hapeba samna harabada Mangifera indica se lineage na hana describe hana sig species describe taramani magi maming se Mangifera indica gi aroibada lin hain happy adus abbreviated form the full form na nati haidi short form the ko lin hain happy but it indicates that this species was first described by Linnaeus. Man indicator isika indo haiba matamda ahanba Linnaeus na describe tawbani haibane ba sige species that means Mangifera indica. Since it is nearly impossible to study all the living organisms, it is necessary to devise some means to make this possible. This process is classification. Haidi living organism khudingmak amamam to oina study tawbadi ngamba nateba ko. Aduna adudo possible oina bagidamagta means khara puthokpa ma darkar oiba. Adugi means puthokpagi process to baniba classification nice. Classification is the process by which anything is grouped into convenient categories based on some easily observable characters. Classification haidi process makalamaneba ko category naina manage tauba ko haidi magi observable oiva character easily observe tauba yaba character the base tauraga category oina semba group wise oina semba dubuniba classification haise. For example, we easily recognize group such as plants or animals or dog, cats, insect. Example oina sam harapta plants ko natural animals plants sing the plants ki category sing se loin chingi dana plants haita sam na the rose plant ogira marigold plant si se plant ta chingi dana adu animals ta har su dog cat si sing se animals ta loin chingi ba insect ta har su tin kang sing se loin chingi bird ta har su species man da ba bird cham lai ko pigeon parrot species santa man de ko adu ma se bird ni dana. The moment we use any of these terms, we associate certain characters with the organism in that group. Aikoina kaigumba matamda sigi terms se sizinarappa matamda ne haidi classification haiba terms se sizinarappa matamda organism amagi group ne haiba se aikoina khangadabane ba. What image do you see when you think of a dog? Aikoina dog ki maramda khanba matamda aikoi ki mind da kai lake ba. Obviously each one of us will see dog, not cats. Haidi aikoi na dog ki khantar de aikoi mind da dog ki laktam ne cat ki dila oidana. Now, if we were to think of Alsatians, we know that we are talking about Alsatians. Haidi akoina kai gumma matam de Alsatians ki wakhan khan tar shi Alsatian hai se kai no hai ba matam de koi mind la ka ne ba Alsatians haidi di Alsace ke inhabitants mana ba relate oi ba ha ba ne ba Alsace shai tar di kai no hai ta matam da France da ba region da ba ne ba former regions of France ne ba ko between Bozes and Rhine si ani si ki marak ta lai ba region na ne ba France ki ko. Similarly, suppose we were to say mammals, you would of course think of animals with external ears and body hairs จับมันนะคุยนะ mammals कीว่าให้น่าเรียกขลบกว่า mammals คุย animals ให้ตาที่ animals สิ่งบุญ animals external ears ยาวบ body hair ยาวบสิขลักกันนี่นะ likewise in plants จับมันนะ in plants แต่สู้ if we try to talk of wheat the picture in each of our mind will be of wheat plant not of rice or any other plant จะมานะ plants da hira so khoi na wheat ki maram da wari sanere khala khoi mind da wheat ki picture la kani ba haide wheat ki image la kani ba rice ki top plant ki dila oidana hence all these dog cats mammal wheat rice plant animals etc are convenient category we use to study organisms study to bu matam da sigi sing se categories nga tane ba haide dog cat mammals wheat rice plant animals sing se categories nga tane haide group nga tane ba si organism singi the scientific term for this category is taxa sig minor group wise category khaidok pasibu neba taxa haise here you must recognize that taxa can indicate categories at different levels taxa te ko akoi sida khanga kani ba ko taxa haise categories ne different levels ki categories ne ba plants also form a taxa plants isu taxa ne ba which is also taxa which isu taxa ne ba similarly animals mammals dogs are all taxa sil oi taxa nga ta ne ba but you know that a dog is a mammal and mammals are animals dog se mammal ni dana ma se machapu eko aduga mammals sing sisu animals ni mammals include to isi animals sing bu natro adune different level sing bu ne ba response haidi represent to riba different level sing du bu ne ba taxa haise therefore animals mammals and dogs represent taxa at different levels hence based on characteristics all living organisms can be classified into different taxa characters the based on living organism khudingmak different taxa different category da classify taweba adugi process to buneba taxonomy haise external and internal structure along with the structure of cell and development processes and ecological information of organism are essential and form the basis of modern taxonomy studies taxonomy haibase studies toge high tardi taxonomy ki process studies toge high tardi magi basic high characteristic chang base kai kai no haiba matam na external and internal structure organism dugi along with the structure of cell structure adegi development process ma kamai develop tawri amasung ecological information of organism haidi organism dong man kamaina environmental de adapt to my habitat kaino adu asi sing se basic studies ngate ne ba ko haidi taxonomy studies to na ba basic characters ngate ne ba hence characterization identification classification and nomenclature are the process that are basic to taxonomy the basic ko ba characters haidi step high tar the process high tar the han characterization my say characterize haidi my character khangdok pa identify tawba adu mayam do identify tawba adu classify tawba group khaidok pa category thamba aduga category gi matung inna maming piba nomenclature ko taxonomy is not something new human beings have always been interested in knowing more and more about the various kinds of organisms taxonomy se anobadi nate ba human beings is in a various kinds of organism khangba yam interest oi particularly moiga hana mari laina ba reference of hasamna harabada aikoina dog se akoi pet choina loi ko pe adugi matung na use to be matung akoi different dogs khangninge dana adumaina in early days human beings needed to find sources for their basic needs of food clothing and shelter hence the earliest classification were based on the uses of various organisms early days ngan lingai ki human beings ti magi sources ki matung inna haidi food clothing shelter sources ki matung inna use to ba organisms to adu the base taraga classify tarameba human beings were since long not only interested in knowing more about different kinds of organisms and their diversity but also the relationship among them human beings in the interest hoise organism different kinds of organisms khang ba du khatang hai ma gi adaptation ma environmentation ecological information khang khatang pam batang na tan ne organism sing gi marak te lei river relation do aju su khang ba pam me ba adu gi study tawriba process hai adu study tawriba branch to bune ba systematic habits. The word systematic is derived from the Latin word systema, which means systematic arrangement of organism. Systematic haiba word se Latin word neba. Haidi Latinized oiba word neba Latin they derive tarokpa neba. Latin word systema haibadagi derive tarokpa neba. Systema haibadi organism sing se systematic nine arrange tawbudu neba. Linnaeus used Systema Naturae as the title of his publication. Magi publication gi damakta Systema Naturae se mana title oina use torameba Linnaeus na. The scope of systematic was later enlarged to include identification, nomenclature, and classification. Systematic scope se haidi systematic study tawbagi scope se yam chawthore ko karmaina identification, nomenclature amasung classification include tawsalaga di systematic ki branch scope se chawthore. Systematic takes into evolutionary relationship between organisms. That means systematics na ne piri se kaino haiba matam the organisms singi marak haidi hana leiramba organisms ka huzik leiriba organisms si ani sigi evolutionary evolve kamain tawre e relationships samna haiba example oina ba human beings se apes gi evolve tawrakhibani hai apes ka human being gi kamaina relate tawrakhige haibado adugumba pibadu buneba systematic size. Sisina chapter sigi first part ne aduga second part sidana second part to ayam thuna upload tawjarake. Second part sina taxonomy categories ta species genus haidi category mai taxonomy khana doine aduda important next part second part se yam important oy second parts legi ne yam important ori se ado mayamna video se second part ke video si sungai bio ado mayamna sigi chapter sigi notes extra question with solution aduga NCERT exercises ki solution su pambiraga de haibiro ai next mathangi video da ai show da include tawjarake.